Hello everyone, good evening. Today my topic is about Argus, or we can say that different tabs involved in Argus. So firstly we are going to see what is the full form of Argus. It is the Advanced Research Group United Support. So in this Argus, it is an FDA approved system in which it contains so many of different tabs. So according to the various tabs are as follows. So first one is triage, second one is general tab, third one is patient tab, fourth one is product tab, fifth one is event tab, sixth one is analysis tab, seventh one is activity tab, eighth one is additional information tab, and ninth one is regulatory reporting tab. So while coming towards the detailing information of these tabs, first in general tab, basic general information from the patient is recorded in this general tab, and the data initial received date is filed in this general tab. Also the follow-ups are dictated, and the follow back reports are been kept in the follow back box. So coming towards the next tab is that patient tab. So very basic information like the patient name, initial, first name, last name, and the patient belonging to the respective country is taken, and even the pregnancy related information is taken in this tab. So coming towards the next tab is that product tab. In this, selective, concomitant, or any other medical history is taken in this tab. Then coming towards the next point is that event tab. In this, all the ADR signs and symptoms must be entered in this tab as per the given or mentioned data entry source document. So coming towards the next tab is that analysis tab. This is one the narrative writing tab, in which the narration is done overall. Coming towards the next tab, activity tab. All the activities from the general tab to up to the analysis tab is done in this. Overall a review is done in this tab. Then coming towards the additional information, any additional information can be added in this tab. Example, hospital discharge date, and also this all information is added in this tab. Then last but not least, the regulatory reporting tab. In this, the submission of this document is done. So this was all about the Argus system and all. Thank you.